Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Trisha and you are watching Trish Kitchen. First of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you Ruhu fish with potatoes and eggplants. It's a very simple and common recipe with Ruhu fish in every Bengali family. So without wasting our time, let's see how to make this simple Ruhu fish curry with eggplants and potatoes, or in Bengali, begun aloo diye Rui Macher Jhol. First of all, wash the fish pieces properly and marinate them with turmeric powder and salt. Then heat mustard oil in a pan and fry both the sides of the fish pieces properly and keep them aside. Now we need a handful of berries or dalir bori. I am using here urad dal berries. Fry the berries in mustard oil until they become golden. Once done, take them out of the pan and keep aside. Now we need one large potato cut into thick wedges. Add turmeric and salt in the potatoes. Give them a good toss so that all the potato wedges are nicely covered with the masala. Then in the same oil, shallow fry the potatoes and keep aside. Now we need eggplants. I am using here 2 small eggplants. Cut the eggplants into small pieces. Then marinate it with salt and turmeric and give a good toss. Now fry the eggplants in same oil until golden and keep aside. Now heat mustard oil in a pan. Add half tablespoon of kalonji and 3 to 4 slit green chilies. Saute them for few seconds. Now add one large onion chopped. Fry until golden. Add salt. Now add 2 medium tomatoes chopped. Fry till the tomatoes are soft and pulpy. Add half tablespoon of red chili powder and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix well. Now add fried potatoes and eggplants. Once the masalas are fried, add 2 cups of water. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes in medium heat until the vegetables are cooked properly. Add the fried fish pieces and fried boris and mix well into the gravy. Add chopped coriander leaves. Our fish curry is ready now. Serve with hot rice. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.